I kind of touched on this a little bit in some of the other videos this week, but I'm just going to encourage you, don't get rid of someone's stuff without their permission. That is a big no-no. That is a big mistake. And I'm not talking about hoarders. Hoarders is a whole other people with hoarding issues, a whole other ball of wax. There's trauma usually behind that, fear, a lot of stuff that on a psychological basis that needs to be dealt with. But just for ordinary people, how would you feel if someone took all your stuff and gave it away or didn't tell you or stole it or something like that happened? And I've worked with people who've had that happen to them as children. It was incredibly traumatic. You have these stuffed animals and then all of a sudden they're gone, but you didn't have a say in that. And so I'm just going to encourage you, don't let go of other people's stuff. Don't take it, don't donate it without their permission, because that can really cause more problems than not. In some cases, people just buy more to replace it. In some cases, it can have really, really traumatic and long-lasting effects. Like I mentioned to the child, they were still devastated by that as an adult, and you can understand why it would be a challenge for them to declutter. So just be really mindful and aware of that. You want to work with someone, or if you need to hire a pro, who's someone who's neutral, who can say like, okay, I'm stepping out of this, but I want you at least to hear what they have to say. I can understand it. And depending on some stressful situations where you're like, oh my gosh, they might be evicted, we have to help them declutter, but you've got to do it in a process and not just take everything out and throw it out. Have you ever had that happen to you? Have you ever had someone take your stuff without your say? How did that feel? When you clear your clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire.